Good morning, everybody. My name's Jonathan Wells. I'm with US Bank, and I'm here to introduce CloudFrame. One of the major issues facing banks and financial institutions today is the existence of decades-old mainframe applications, which are critical to our business lines, but which run on proprietary and expensive hardware, and which cannot be easily migrated to the more modern and cost-effective cloud infrastructure. This is where CloudFrame comes in. CloudFrame offers the ability to convert COBOL code to Java code, and then enables multiple ways of running that converted Java code in a risk-controlled manner. At one end of the spectrum, you could choose to simply run your converted Java code on your mainframe using a zip engine and realize some cost savings in terms of saved MIPS. At the other end of the spectrum, you can leverage CloudFrame to migrate everything, lock, stock, and barrel, to the cloud. The other mentor companies for CloudFrame were Chubb, Credit Suisse, Guardian Life, TIAA, and there's been some definite interest in CloudFrame's capability. Here at US Bank, we're partway through proof of concept involving a loans processing application. Chubb are currently planning a similar exercise. Prior to the program, CloudFrame have had other success too. They've been used by a major telecoms client to offboard multiple mainframe test environments to run on the Amazon AWS cloud, saving $2 million in the process for their client. With that, I would like to introduce Venkat Pillay, founder and CEO of CloudFrame.
Yeah, hi. Back in 1991, everyone thought the mainframes are not going to be present for a long time. And here was a prediction. The last mainframe will be unplugged on March 15, 1996. Here we are, today, June 27, 2019, and 2/3 of the organizations here, they still rely on a mainframe. Because the mainframe modernization is similar to renovating LaGuardia Airport. It's risky, it's expensive, and it can disrupt your business if it's not done correctly. But not doing anything creates a bigger risk to the future of the business itself. Hi, I'm Venkat Pillay, CEO and founder of CloudFrame. I got decades of experience on mainframe. I was also a strategic architect at Bank of America Wealth Management, doing emerging technology and cloud strategy for them. Our product, CloudFrame, uniquely qualifies to solve your mainframe challenges. All along, people have been thinking the mainframe problem as all or nothing approach. That says, we're going to take your mainframe and maybe have a silver bullet, convert everything into modern languages, move them into cloud. It hasn't really worked. CloudFrame is the only product in the market that allows you progressive modernization, allow you to run on the platform of your choice at your pace. You can decide to modernize, run it in place on the mainframe, or move the computing into private cloud, leaving the data on the mainframe. Or you may just decide to move everything into a cloud platform. CloudFrame allows you to reduce the risk of the mainframe migration that are typically associated. It takes a long time, because we provide seamless integration with your legacy existing processes, which may not be ready to move into the cloud on day one, because it's going to take some time before you can move everything off. It's been 30, 40 years of development over there. CloudFrame also reduces the risk to the business by preserving the format of the data and the calculations of the data, and provides a very simple validation. Now, we all know these programs have been developed for the last 30, 40 years. They are huge monolithic programs. They are very unwieldy, very difficult to maintain, and probably the programmer who first wrote them is no longer with the company. And these programs are still maintained. So CloudFrame uniquely offers the benefit of taking this large monolithic program, split them into meaningful components, and convert them into modern languages such that a younger generation can now maintain it. And they are much easier to maintain. That's why a Fortune 20 customer decided to take a successful journey to cloud with CloudFrame. They are very large mainframe installation, and they decided to move their entire system test environment into AWS. Within 3 months, they were able to free up the capacity on the mainframe and save millions of dollars in the process. In the production environment, they decided to choose the platform of their choice, modernizing and keeping in place on the mainframe itself a part, and a part of it moved into the private cloud. And CloudFrame has been continually helping them in their progressive journey to the cloud. It's been a phenomenal experience at FinTech Innovation Lab. Thank you, Maria and team, and thank you to our mentors. We got great insight. We learned all the challenges within the organization, and it helped us prioritize our roadmap. And above all, it's a great validation in the market. We got 242% increase in our pipeline and a number of POCs in the offering. So please come take the journey to the cloud with us, and we'd love to see you at the exhibition hall. Thank you very much.